We've got a question out there about, yeah, it boils down to, okay, I'm a climate conscious trekker or a climate conscious traveler. I'm a sustainable person. I try to walk or hike or bike and be self-sustaining and camping as much as possible, but invariably I need to stay in hotels or in lodges. I need to take cars or planes. How do I do all of that while maintaining as much of a sustainability ethos as possible? Well, I'll tell you, really, it's kind of the crux of travel. We can't go to these places, invest in their tourism, add value to natural landscapes without getting there somehow. And we know that transportation to and from is one of the biggest ways to create climate emissions. So the best way I can tell you to proceed is, of course, be conscious in where you're going and how you're going and the vehicles and the methods in which you're seeing all this stuff. But also take it to another level and look into offsetting your own transportation. People are often really amazed at how inexpensive it might be to offset their driving safari. It might be to offset their flights. So looking into programs like Tomorrow's Air, like Neutral Together, like other programs that are out there, and doing some research on your own. I think that everybody likes to hit the easy button today's day and age, but if you do a little bit of research, figure it out on your own, what are the best companies to go with to help offset your travel? Pay for forests to be maintained or conserved. Pay for hyper-efficient cook stoves to be delivered to rural villages in Kenya and Rwanda. You can find all this on various websites like Tomorrow's Air. It's up to you to take it up that next level. We're just here to help give you the guidance.